Hey, Tim here. I want to tell you a little story of this buddy of mine. He lived next to these people called the Simons. They were Simonses, and I think they had 3 boys and 2 or 3 girls or whatever. They were a wild bunch, boy. You talk about poor as hell. Now, from what I hear, I've never been in their house. They had like dirt floors, and it was like a 1-room place with a bathtub, just a tub in the basement. And I was over there one time, and like there was a woman out there squatting in the garden, and that's how they fertilize their stuff. It's dang terrible. But them boys, they had a hard life growing up, running out. I mean, like, them boys go hunting, they'd come back with a pig or a farmer's cow or something, you know. And they just had a real rough life. I mean, they would like one time his back was, one of his brother's back was messed up, and it was hunched. His dad actually strapped a 2x4 around his back and his head. I guess it straightened him out, because he did. He ended up walking upright. But they just a wild bunch, boy. They damn had it rough. I guess the reason I'm telling you this story is if your ass is broke and you're down low like that, maybe not that low probably, but you gotta go for it and build it up. If your family's broke, it's your job to bring it up so that your family is in better shape. Because if you ain't bettering yourself, then hard telling what's going to become of your kids or their kids. If you just keep going downhill, you might end up like that too. Like, they ended up growing up and all this stuff, and the daddy died, and they got the land. I guess they put a couple trailers out there and stuff. Started making meth and shit. Well, one day the boys got busted, and they damn figured out he'd buried his own dad out there. Never told anybody he died, just buried him. And about, I don't know, I guess it was like 100 yards or whatever from the house, they found his girlfriend. His girlfriend had wandered out and OD'd in the damn yard. It's just crazy, Bo. He ended up in Escanaba prison for all this here, and the other brothers ended up blowing up a meth lab inside their trailer. But all I'm saying is, you know, you gotta dang go for life and make it better and better and better. You can't just sit there and go over the same things over and over again, man. Life don't get better unless you make it better. Now, I guess I could go on and on about this, but I guess that's really about the point I wanted to get across to you. Like, share, subscribe. Got that ebook down below. Like I say, people were paying the $3 donation. Just put a 0 in there. I ain't trying to make no money at this stuff. I just trying to get people to wake up to the real world. Stop running around on this autopilot. So I don't know. Stay sharp. Stay aware. And owe no one. Peace out.
What I try to tell you. Lesbian. What I try to tell you. This country, you gotta make the money first. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the rules. That's why you gotta make your own rules.